Trump News Now. The Trump trial is nearing a turning point with Michael Cohen's testimony. The star prosecution witness in Donald Trump's hush money trial will testify on Monday, weighing in on the first presidential criminal case. Michael Cohen, Trump's former lawyer and personal fixer, is the Manhattan District Attorney's most essential witness, and his expected arrival marks the trial's end. The prosecution may finish their case by the end of the week. Mr. Cohen will testify about arranging hush money payments for Trump, including to Stormy Daniels, during his first presidential campaign. In 2016, Ms. Daniels told jurors that she got $130,000, £103,000, to keep quiet about a hotel suite sexual encounter with Trump a decade earlier. Mr. Cohen concerns because Trump faces 34 criminal counts of falsifying company records based on his reimbursements. Prosecutors believe the refunds were legal fees to hide their genuine aim. During opening statements, defense lawyers called Mr. Cohen an admitted liar with an obsession to get President Trump to set up a grueling cross-examination. If jurors believe a witness with such close knowledge of Trump's behavior, he might increase Trump's legal risk. However, prosecutors' use of Mr. Cohen, who pleaded guilty to federal charges related to the payments and lying to Congress, could help Trump fundraise and portray the case as a product of a corrupt criminal justice system. His status as star prosecution witness further erodes a mutually beneficial connection so tight that Mr. Cohen reportedly stated he would take a bullet for Trump. Trump called Mr. Cohen a fine person with a great family on social media after the FBI raided his home and office in 2018. He mistakenly predicted that he would not flip. In August, Mr. Cohen pleaded guilty to federal campaign financing crimes involving Trump. On Friday, Donald Trump addresses the press before leaving his Manhattan criminal court trial. After Trump tweeted, "If anyone is looking for a good lawyer, I would strongly advise that you don't retain the services of Michael Cohen," the connection was over. Mr. Cohen eventually confessed lying to Congress about a Moscow real estate deal he pursued for Trump during the 2016 Republican campaign. He lied to match Trump's political rhetoric. Prosecutors will ask Mr. Cohen about his past offenses to counter defense lawyers' questions and show they are not trying to hide them. Given that defense counsel would exploit all Mr. Cohen's challenges, that may not be effective. They must also portray Mr. Cohen as untrustworthy, spiteful, and agenda-driven. Mr. Cohen has been a relentless and sometimes vulgar opponent of Trump since their breakup, appearing last week in a live TikTok wearing a shirt with a Trump figure with his wrists shackled, behind bars. On Friday, the court urged prosecutors to order him to stop discussing the case or Trump. He has repeatedly expressed his desire to imprison President Trump, Trump lawyer Todd Blanche claimed during opening arguments. He has often called for President Trump's family's imprisonment. He has made many comments about President Trump's conviction. The jury heard Mr. Cohen's name 130 times during opening comments, more than any other person. Other witnesses, like former National Enquirer publisher David Pecker and former Trump advisor Hope Hicks, have testified about Mr. Cohen's role in stifling articles that could hurt Trump's 2016 campaign. The jury also heard Trump and Cohen discussing a plan to buy the rights to Karen McDougal's story, who claimed she had an affair with Trump. Trump again called the case a Biden show trial during a huge rally in Wildwood, southern New Jersey, on Saturday. He incorrectly blamed President Joe Biden for organizing the New York charges. That argument misses the fact that Manhattan municipal prosecutors filed the hush money prosecution without Justice Department or White House involvement. The Justice Department denies White House involvement in special counsel Jack Smith's two Trump criminal cases.